Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break. Girlfriend surprised me with a blaster box of 2016 Topps Gypsy Queen Baseball. She picked this up when she got out of work today, so that's really awesome. She got this from Walmart. It says one exclusive short printed mini base card parallel inside. So, curious to see what that is. But the odds are a little covered up by this seam, so I'm going to go ahead and get the plastic off and show you guys the odds. 2016 Gypsy Queen Baseball Blaster. Alrighty. There you go. You guys can pause that and check out those odds if you want. Alrighty. Here we go. This is 8 packs with, I believe, 6 cards per pack. And I'm assuming the mini is probably going to be in a separate pack. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, it must just be in the packs. Alrighty then. Pack number 1. Not sure what the mini's gonna be. Or what it's gonna look like. Andre Dawson, Power Alley. I'm not gonna spend too much time on these. You guys probably saw my hobby box break. Tyson Ross, Hosmer, Gio Gonzalez, Cologne, and Ryan Howard. Mini. If anyone's wondering, my hobby box did not have a full-size variation in it. That's down a little more. Mike Minor, Jose Peraza, Pollock, Andre Ethier, Thompson. Oh wow. Okay. That's going to be. Oh, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that is the short printed mini. That's neat. That's a really neat look for Gypsy Queen. Look at that. A Phil Rizzuto foil. Oh, that's pretty neat. Not numbered. Wow, that's really cool looking. I really like Gypsy Queen with that look. Alright, wasn't sure what to expect. That's pretty cool. It's a neat looking mini. Manny Machado, walk-off winners, insert. Homer Bailey, Chris Archer, Devon Travis, Kevin Gossman, and Yu Darvish, mini. Ooh, looks like there's a hit in here. Yep, that's a hit. We're going to save that for last. Sweet. Addison Russell, Jonathan Lucroy, Robertson, Matt Holliday, mini. Robin Yount, that's a short print, ain't it? Yep, sure is. And Ian Kinsler. Robin Yount is a short print. Conforto, Papelbon, Howard, sweet. Wow. A gold mini out of 50, Koji Uehara. Man, 27 of 50. Gold mini. Nice. Man, I got 3 purples in my hobby box. Get a blaster and get a gold. Or gold or yellow, whichever they're calling it. Nice. Out of 50. Ross and Adam Eaton. So, wow. How about that? This blaster has the parallel mini. Looks like there's a hit in it. And the gold or yellow mini. How How about that? George Springer Glove Stories insert. Felix Hernandez, Starlin Castro, Carrasco, Dallas Keuchel, and Hisashi Iwakuma. Mini. Regular. Freddie Freeman, Michael Brantley, Jacob deGrom, Stephen Piscotty, mini rookie. Actually, I got him in my hobby box. J.J. Hardy and Trevor Rosenthal. Alrighty, on to the hit. Adrian Gonzalez, Nelson Cruz, Shin-Soo Choo. Get the mini out of there. Mini is Cologne, Christian Cologne, mini. And holy crap. You gotta be kidding me, an autograph relic? I have never pulled an autograph relic from a blaster box of Gypsy Queen. Numbered, look at that, number 50 of 50. Wow. That is the second Franco I pulled today. I pulled his regular autograph in my hobby box, and now an auto relic of him out of 50 in the blaster box that my girlfriend got me. Now, some slight, a little bit of a corner issue on that right there. Yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. But two color, barely a pinstripe there, but on card autograph, 50 of 50. How about that? Wow. Man, that corner. It's not horrible. It's not like it's still like a sharp corner. It's just like the paper got a little screwed up right there. Hard to explain that. You guys can see it's still like a sharp corner. It's like a little kind of fold in the paper. But man, how about that? An autograph relic. Maikel Franco. Man, I have never... Actually, in all the Gypsy Queen I've busted, retail, hobby, ever since 2012, I don't think I have ever actually pulled an auto relic. Man, that is awesome. I will take it. Odds on those, because I'm going to look that up real quick, because I am really curious. Wow, autograph relic. 1 in 1,571 packs. How about that, guys? What a blaster. Maikel Franco, auto relic out of 50, number 50 of 50. The Koji Uehara, yellow or gold. Actually, I'm going to look real quick. What do they call that? Purple. Gold, yep. Gold, 1 in 68 on that. Short print, Robin Yount. And then the... Really neat, man. That card is neat. I'm really digging Gypsy Queen with that look. Phil Rizzuto, exclusive mini. Man, how about that for a blaster? I will take it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.